We have completed phase 1. We've cleared the noise. Now, welcome to week 2 of our Retreat to Love Masterclass series, wherein we will see the pattern. And today's word, day 8, is clarity. Clarity is the reward for work you did last week. It's that moment when the fog of emotion lifts and you're left with the facts. Most people make life-changing decisions while they're still in a feeling. Here, we wait until the vision is sharp. In your career or relationships, you don't need more options. You need better vision. When you have clarity, you stop guessing and start responding with a plan. Your frequency finally finds its focus. So today, look at one blurry area of your life. Strip away that emotion. What are the cold and hard facts? That is your roadmap. That's day 8. I'll see you tomorrow for the day 9 of our Retreat to Love, wherein we will talk about resilience.